For my first trick, I will make the whole audience disappear. Ta-da! And now on to some real magic. I'm going to make this quarter disappear. Let me try that again. For my next trick, I'll make all my homework disappear. Just kidding, Mrs. Gia. I've got a $5 bill with 2 paper clips on it. Just by blowing, I'm going to attempt to make the paper clips. And delete. And for my grand finale, I will cut this banana in half using only my mind. I'm going to get inside of it. My assistant will cut the top of the banana to show there was no tampering. And it's a clean cut. By the way, then, speaking of magic, if Houdini was alive today, what would he be famous for?
What would he be famous for?
Being the oldest person alive. Why did the library slip on the floor?
Why did the library slip on the floor?
Because she's in the non-friction section. By the way, why did the audience clap loudly?
Why?
Because our act is done.